Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring your MacBook Air stays powered and online. Plug it in and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Open System Settings, then General and Software Update to check available updates. If an update appears, click to view details so you know what's changing. Once done, make sure you have a current backup via Time Machine or iCloud. This protects you if anything goes wrong during installation. Now tap Update or Install to start the download immediately. You'll see a progress bar as the update downloads. Avoid streaming or large uploads so it completes faster. When prompted, enter your administrator password and accept the software terms so the installer can access system files. The Mac prepares the update by verifying packages. This can take several minutes. During the install phase, it may automatically restart. Don't force shutdown. If the installer requests permission for system extensions, grant it for trusted updates. After the final reboot, verify the new Mac OS version in About This Mac to confirm completion. If the update hangs or fails, reboot into safe mode by holding Shift at startup and try the update again. Safe mode clears caches and can resolve install conflicts. If safe mode fails, use recovery to reinstall Mac OS without erasing data or restore from your Time Machine backup as a last resort. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Safe mode often fixes installation blockers quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.